Tumut, we visited the Tumut Broom Factory. It originated back in Tumut back in 1946, and the new owners, Jeff and Robert, bought the factory or the business back in 2003. They've been working there on and off since their 20s. Most of it's made from Australia and imported millet, and nearly every shearing shed in the country has got their brooms in it.
Yeah, they're going to open the borders up. You won't be able to get across there because of the floods.
Yeah, that's the trouble that we're going to have. So I'm not going to go quite so far west. We're going to go to Forbes and out through Forbes and parks and whatnot, and have a look at the dish. But yeah, they're sounding pretty bad out there. So I think. So after the broom factory, we decided to go up to the lookout over the top of Tumut. What a beautiful view that we got. It's an amazing place. The landscape out here is just brilliant. The skies are still a little bit iffy, so we're not getting any bright sunny days to really get a great view of everything, but wow, what a great country we got. It's just so awesome down here. So much to see, so much to do. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. Okay, we're back at Johns River where we're camping, and these guys come down nearly every morning and take people out fishing. $750 for one person. So they're making some good money and they're catching a few fish. Oh, and there's me catching nothing. Usual. All right, enjoy.
Salmon. And they're off. There's boat number 2. And these are behind us. We've got this awesome farm with all these beautiful cows. Come on. Here they come. Oh, look at you, beautiful little thing.
Something you don't see every day, Mabel.